So today our question is on how to add sum of n integers using an array. Okay, we will solve this question together. Read a integer n. We will first read a integer n, the range of numbers, n integers. And secondly, we will add a loop to read n number of values. And fourth, initialize the sum to 0 so that we can add all the values to sum. And we'll add a loop to add all the values. Okay, let's start our code. Let's include the header files, include stdio.h and int main. Okay, now let's let's declare an array of x array size. We will give 50 and again n I and sum. Okay, let's read printf how many integers. Scanner percentile d, and now we have read the value of n from the user. Now we will add a loop to read n integers. Loop to read n integers. For I, will initialize I to 0 and I is less than n, I plus plus. Okay, now print enter the percentile d integer. If we give here only I, then it will print enter the 0 number. But we want our program to start from 1. So we will add here I plus 1. Next, we will read the value of the first number and percentile d, and we will add this to the array or to our array x I. Okay, it's so now we will initialize the sum to 0 so that we can add the values there. Now we will add a loop to add all the values. Now for I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. So all the values are stored in the array x. So we will add that sum is equal to sum plus x I. Now printf sum of all integers is equal to percentile d sum. Okay, now let's run and see our code. How many integers? 5. Enter the first integer. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All integer is 20. Okay, let's edit our code little for better UI. Okay, let's run our code again. How many integers? 4. First integer 2, 4, 5, 6,